In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a web app, also known as a PWA, for your fleet. A web app works very similar to a normal application on your user devices and is fully supported on both iOS and Android. To begin with, you will need to go to External Tools and then Web Apps. Once on this page, click on the green Create a New Web App button. On this page you will then select the type of web app you want, so let's click Create Generic Web App. You will then need to read the relevant terms and finally click Yes, Create App. Your app will then be activated and your page will automatically be diverted to the setup wizard. On this page you will need to configure your web app according to your requirements. For example, the app name is how your app will appear on the user's home screens. Next you will need to upload your application icon. This icon is also used on the home screen. It is important that the icon you upload is 1024 pixels by 1024 pixels and in PNG format. It should not be any larger than 2 megabytes. Finally, you can enter a short description of your web app which is provided in definition files of the web app. You can save your entry so far by clicking Save Draft and continue where you left off any time. When you're ready to put your web app live, click Save and Publish Web App. You will see a green notice at the top that reads Web App Submitted. The publish request has been received and is now in the queue to be generated and published. You should receive an email in about 5 to 10 minutes to confirm your web app is live, or you can refresh this page. During this time you can either divert away from this page or you can click the blue refresh page button to check the status of your web app. Once completed, a green notice will appear at the top of your web page with a link you can give out to your users. This can be opened via their PC, mobile or tablet and will provide installation instructions. Via their PC, a web page like this will appear with a QR code. The user should scan this using their camera app and it will provide installation instructions automatically. On an iOS device they should click the Export Middle button in Safari and find the Add to Home Screen button. Once clicked, they should finally click the Add button to install the app on their home screen. On an Android device, they should click the blue Install App button in Chrome. They then should click Add to the Add Home Screen pop-up. The user may get an additional pop-up, click Add automatically. When we go to the home screen, you can now see your web app installed. Click on the app to open, and it will work just like our dedicated white label apps.